Hi everyone! In today's video, I'm going to break down on Keltner indicator, a technical analysis indicator. It's a super powerful tool that shows you when is the best time to enter the trade and make it super successful. But before we get started, just a quick reminder, in the description to this video you will find links to my Telegram channel, and if you drop me a line here, I personally will sell you a link to registration for Pocket Option website that grants you 50% deposit bonus. Thanks for watching and let's get it rolling! Alright folks, before we get into it, let's understand the primary signals of the Keltner channel. There are basically two of them. Well, originally the strategy for working with Keltner channels was straightforward. So once the price breaks through and moves outside the channel upwards, it's a signal to go long since a bullish trend is starting. If the breakout is downwards, the bears are in charge and it's time to place a sell order. Since the channel's borders align with strong resistance and support levels, a price moving beyond them indicates a confident breakthrough, hinting at the start of a new trend in that exact direction. And however, things have gotten a tad complex now, and relying solely on the Keltner channel's signals might not be enough. We will chat about that today, don't worry, but for now let's scout for a good trading opportunity. Starting with the Australian dollar Swiss franc pair, where I'm placing a short trade. Let's have a look at the chart and discuss why I opened this exact trade. We see there's been an upward breakout of the Keltner channel. As we discussed earlier, this hints at what, guys? Right, at a rising trend. The price hits a resistance level. Typically, prices consolidate around these levels before making their next move. Well, I'm guessing there's gonna be a rebound from this resistance level back into the channel. Kinda like a, price reset. Look, when the price is way outside the Keltner channel, it means the market is at an extreme. Super far from its average value. We're also getting confirmation from the MACD indicator. Its lines are converging, clearly seen on the histogram bars, so you can see it. Awesome guys, this trade brought in a cool $506 profit. Let's keep the momentum going and look for another juicy opportunity. Alright, moving on the USD Chinese Yen pair. Let's go short here and continue. We see a breakout of the channel, but hey, hold your horses, no need to rush in and go long here. We also have to keep an eye on market volatility, don't forget that. So how do we do that? You see a rather narrow range. If you look closely, you can see the price is kind of dancing, if you can say like that, within this price corridor. Opening the trade at the top of the channel with such low volatility, I'm banking on the price dipping at least to its midline. Spotting a trend here, the MACD's lines are closing in on each other, hinting that the price is about to take a downturn. So here is the scoop, folks. On one hand, the Keltner channel is like this straightforward power tool for pinpointing entry points, but on the flip side, it's got this pesky habit of showing false breakouts. Why is it acting all weird? We'll break that down later today, don't forget, don't worry. For now, I'm on the hunt for another golden trading opportunity. Alright, back on track. Did you know Keltner cooked up this indicator way back in the 60s? A time when things were simpler, no computers, no trading bots, and none of the fancy platform we're used to today. But hey, we can't get too lost in history. Let's pull the trigger on the short trade. And while we are at it, let's break down these signals. First off, that MACD showing zilch volatility, so this channel breakout Not fully buying it as genius price movement. I mean, just between us, I've got this good feeling prices are about to go south. Plus, look at this candlestick that's just formed. That's the market screaming a reversal, reversal. Now, when you see a full-blown Keltner channel breakout, like the one earlier, notice the uptick in MACD volatility. Have a look, please. It's clear as day, my friends. Coupling the Keltner with other indicators is where the magic happens. And speaking of magic, our trade's done and dusted, raking in a cool $500 to my account. Not too shabby, right? I say we'll wrap it up with this pair and scout for another juicy trade opportunity, guys. Onward, Fox! We've cracked that Keltner channel is way more on point when teamed with some other indicator. With today's ever-evolving market, it's got this false alarms where prices just poke out for a hot second and snap right back in. Right? Going in with a long position now. And boom, here we have a classic channel breakout situation. Let's feast our eyes on that chart. Please have a look. You see that? Right at this sweet spot, our chart took a leap from below to above the channel. That's why I went in long. Feeling the vibe, you know? But there is the kicker. We ain't just winging it. We've got other signals baking us up. Notice the main trend. It's shooting up. And our trusty MACD, it's also giving us a thumbs up, hinting at a rise with its lines getting all cozy and about to cross. Look, guys, in your own trading setups, feel free to pair the channel with other trend indicators. Think about Williams, RCI, or even the stochastic oscillator. Mix and match and see what works best for you. And here is a little fun fact. The Keltner channel's middle line, it's basically a 20-period moving average. If the price keeps hanging out above or below this line, it's like the market is on a caffeine rush. That's a strong trend. So use it to spot your perfect moment to enter the trade. Alright team, let's dive in. Looky here, we're picking up the forex pair, Australian dollar and Swiss franc. And you know what? I'm feeling a downturn, so I'm placing a trend to go short. What we've got here is a textbook Keltner channel signal. Check it out. The price just punched through the lower border. You can spot that bad boy even if you squint a bit. And hey, our trusty MACD is back in this move. See this green line? It's doing the tango with the red and they are getting some space between them. Now, pals, let's get about volatility. It's like the market is mood swings, swinging from chill to wild and back, and the golden moment to jump in and ride the price waves is when volatility is cool, calm, and kind of collected, you know. Now, look at our friend Mr. Keltner. His channel is also a snazzy way to gauge this volatility. When the channel is kind of hugging itself tight, flattening a bit, it's like the market is in a meh mood. Fast forward and boom, trade is done, and guess what? We've got extra $346 in my pocket. So let's wind down this trading session and sum it all up, guys. Well guys, let's wrap this baby up. Today I showed you the Keltner indicator in action and you saw how powerful it is for spotting these perfect trading moments. But guys, please don't rely on just one indicator. Instead, blend it with some other powerful indicators and see the magic happen. Guys, if you like this video and found it super fun and interactive, please subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed yet, like this video and leave me a comment to show me your appreciation. Don't forget to check the Telegram links in the description to get your bonus personally from me. Thank you for watching this video and see you in my next videos.